Hey guys, this video tutorial is designed to help you register to be a volunteer at a FIRST robotics event. So this is firstinspires.org, the website that you will create a registration for. If you've never volunteered at an event or never had a registration, you'll click on sign up and go through that process of actually creating your registration. But once you already have one, you'll just click on login and you'll be able to use your email and your password in order to re-register or re-volunteer at an event, assuming that you've already participated in one. Once you have a registration, you'll have a dashboard where you can look up the different events that are going on. So you'll click on the third tab, which is volunteer registration, and that you'll want to volunteer at an event. This search will populate every single event that FIRST is hosting throughout the nation. So sometimes you have to apply some filters in order to find the exact event that you're looking for. For us, the filters are already in here with regards to FLL and even the zip code 78214. And so you'll find the actual event that you want. So for example, we're going to use this one, First Lego League, Alamo East. This is at Stem College High School FLL qualifier. So I'll click on volunteer, and then once this page opens up, the idea is you're going to choose the day of the event, and you can select assign me as needed, or you might have a specific role that you can select. Then you'll click next, and it will automatically sign you up the volunteer. If you have a team that you're representing, you can enter the team name, and if you don't, then that's fine. You just click on complete, and it automatically populates that you have begun your registration. You're also going to be required to complete your protection screening if you haven't already done so, and so it'll guide you through that process. But other than that, once the application has been received, then you're registered. All right, thanks a lot.